In this video tutorial, you will learn how to save files from WhatsApp mobile into an iPhone, all right? Whether the file is document file, Excel spreadsheet file, photos, videos, PDF, you will learn how to do that. In addition, I will teach you on how to use the suitable app to open these files on your iPhone. Let's get into it. The first step is to open the WhatsApp application on your iPhone, all right? As the app opens, you will see your contacts, okay? Tap on the contact that sends the files to you. Now you can see different types of file here that I want to use to experiment. The first is picture, all right? So I want to download this picture inside my iPhone. I don't want to have it in this WhatsApp chat. All right. For you to do that from your end, long press on the picture. Select forward. Now this makes the picture to be selected. Then tap on the share icon, which is the arrow that points up at the bottom right. Then this opens some applications that can share file on this iPhone, all right, as well as different groups in some social media platforms. All right, so drag up. Then you have saved image, you have sign, assigned to contact, and so many other options. Because it is a picture, when you select save image, it's going to be saved in the Photos app of your iPhone. And now it is saved in the Photos app of my iPhone. Let's go and check before we start downloading other files. Photos. And here is the photo, all right? So let's get back to WhatsApp to download the other file types. The second file on the list here is video, all right? For us to save this video into our iPhone from WhatsApp, first you need to download it, all right? So tap on the arrow sign that points down. We can see 3.2 MB. So tap on that arrow that points down. This has made this video to be downloaded into WhatsApp at this point. So we need to go ahead and save it in our phone. So as usual, long press on the file, select forward. Now that the file has been selected, tap on the arrow sign that points up at the bottom right. This opens a new page displaying some groups and some apps that can share files. So drag up on it and select save video. All right, this is going to save this video into the Photos app of our iPhone. All right, now this file has been saved into the Photos app. Let's go and check and see if it's there. And here is the file. Okay, it's here. All right, let's go and save the other files into our iPhone as well. Then the next file here is Excel Spreadsheet or Excel sheet file. All right. First, you need to tap on the arrow that points down on it so that it will be downloaded into WhatsApp first. Now that it has been downloaded, long press on it. Select forward. This makes the file to be selected. Tap the share icon that points up at the bottom right. Okay, here this open a page as usual, showing us some groups and some applications that can share file. Drag up. Because of the type of file this file is, it's not going to be saved in the Photos app. So we are going to save it in the Files app of our iPhone. So select Save to Files. Now we are taken to on my iPhone folder of the Files app. All right. If you want to save it in any subfolder in that on my iPhone folder, on my iPhone storage section, tap on that folder and save it there. You can see Essay, you can see Excel. These are folders. You can see iOS 17. I created these folders by myself, all right? So if you have any you created by yourself, tap on that folder and save. But here I want it to be on my iPhone location, to be saved there on my iPhone location. So tap on the save button at the top right. Now this Excel file has been saved. And you can see the name of the Excel file is students information. So let's get to the files app to know if it's there. Files. Then here I'm on Chrome, but I will tap on my iPhone. All right. Okay. Students information. That's the name of the file. You can see the information here, the file here, students information with symbol E, which stands for Excel. All right, let's get back to WhatsApp and save other files. Now, the next file here on the list file type is PDF. First, for you to save this PDF in your iPhone, you need to download it into WhatsApp first. So tap on the arrow that points down on the file. This has downloaded the PDF. So long press on the file. Select forward. This has made this file to be selected. Then tap on the share icon, which is the arrow that points up at the bottom right. Then drag up on the new page. Because of the type of file this PDF is, we are going to be saving it inside the on my iPhone's location, which is part of Files app. All right. So I will tap on it, save to files. And here we are landed on my iPhone location. All right. So tap on save. If you want to get to this PDF file right away, just swipe up and get to Files app. So let's locate the Excel file. No, let's locate the PDF file. What did we call it? I think it bears the name edu or so. Okay, see it here. edun043958ee. That's the file here, all right? The last type of file here is document, which you can call Word document. All right, whether you have Google Docs document is still the same. It's still the same process. So for us to save it, tap on the arrow sign that points down for it to download first into WhatsApp. Once it is downloaded, long press on the file. Select forward. Then select the share icon, which is the arrow that points up at the bottom right. Then drag up on this new page. Because of the type of file, we are going to be saving it in the Files app. So select Save to Files. Then we are taken to this new location, which is on my iPhone location of Files app. So I will tap on Save. All right, I have a copy of this file already. It said what I want to replace. I say replace. All right. Good. This has now, all these file types have been saved in my iPhone. But before we end this, I want to point at something, because somebody left a comment on one of my videos saying that he was finding difficult to open Word document file using the Word app on the iPhone. You know, you can install Microsoft Word on your iPhone. So look at mine here. So if you want to open a particular file using the default app, there's a way you will do it. Otherwise, when you want to open it from WhatsApp, it opens with the default app that is suitable for that, developed by iPhone. All right. So I will walk you through on how to open Word app here using the Word application, or how to open Word file here using Microsoft Word application. So if you don't have it, go and install it on your iPhone. It works on iPhone, likewise Excel and the rest type of applications. So I'll tap on Word. As the Microsoft Word app opens, mobile app opens, you will be landed on the Home tab. All right. So tap on this folder icon. Now you'll be shown some locations where you can access document files from. You have recovered drafts, you have offline files, you have on my iPhone, you have Files app, you have add storage account. So it's either you go through the on my iPhone to locate the Word file, or you go through the Files app. Any of the two can serve. So if you go through the on my iPhone and you can't recognize the file, you can't find the file, then go with the Files app option. You will definitely see the Microsoft Word document. All right. So let's go with Files app. Now, this opens the recent location of the Files app, and this is Detective's way downloaded into the Files app, all right, in the on my iPhone location, all right. So tap on that. Then this has opened the document file. So whenever you are trying to open any file on iPhone and the iPhone is using its default app to open that, please download the application suitable for that particular file. For example, if I want to open PDF, I will download Acrobat. If I want to, I'll install Acrobat. If I want to open Excel file, I will install Microsoft Excel application. All right, so that will make it easy for me to be able to open the file using the suitable application rather than allowing Apple to do that with their own default app. I believe you find this guide helpful. Please, if it does help, consider subscribing. Here we teach technology and so many things in our world of today revolve around that. So please subscribe to learn. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if this video helps you or you need something extra. Hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people. If we don't do that, there is no how the system will know that this content is a valuable one. All right? To learn more on how to complete some tasks on iPhone, consider watching this video. Thank you and see you some other time.